Hi, what's up, girlies? Yes, this is for girlies out there. This video, because I wanna unbox what I purchased for today's video. So I bought this on the Orange app, which is Shopee, not Tmall. So I'm gonna show you this one, and it's called YOLE something. YOLE. Yeah, YOLE is the one of the most high quality hair dryer. So yeah, I think this is forever now because it's a good quality. And look at the boxes. See, you can tell if it's good quality, It's not, it doesn't matter if it's not really like, a high price as long as it's high quality. So I'll show you this one. I like it because it's pink. Because I'm a pink girly. Show you like the side and the back and this side. So I'm in love with the color. So cute. And let's look at this one. And it's like a bag. So if you finish like drying your hair, you just put it back here. And then like do it like that. Yeah, it's good. But I hope this is color pink. But oh well. And see. So I hope it works because I paid a lot. Like, what's this one? We'll see if it's working. All right. So I'll have the extension. So, so the turn on of this one is here, and you can adjust if it's you want a medium, cold or hot or warm or whatever. The red one is I don't know. It's medium, I guess, and the blue one is the oh, it's freaking loud and yeah, this is the higher volume. Oh, this is a little bit peak and the middle. I think I'm okay with the middle one. And there's a color red on here. It's working, guys. Oh, yeah. So this is the lesson learned, guys. You will really buy a good quality. Doesn't matter the price. Thank you. That's it for today.